Hey everybody, welcome back to Maker's Playground HQ. I am Izzy, and today we're building a floating outfeed table. Look, Mom, no legs. Okay, so ISO, or International Standards of Operation, says when you're laminating two pieces of material together, now granted that's without adhesive, you want to go every 8 inches. So like an 8-inch square is how you want to lay out your screws. So I guess we'll go ahead and do it that way, even though we glued this together and probably don't need to screw it at all. But better safe than sorry, nothing like a little overkill. When I say international, it's industrial, not international. Industrial standards of operation.
dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da
All right, we need a thumbnail picture. You got to jump up there. Go ahead and give it a little test. Don't go crazy. It's got about a ½ inch of flex right there. That's not bad at all. Nice. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching today. If I had my choice, there wouldn't be a tool in the shop that actually sat on the floor. That would be an amazing shop. But I really appreciate you watching. I hope you learned a trick or two from this pretty simple build. We're looking forward to getting some great use out of it. And if you did enjoy this video, thumbs up. You know the routine, y'all. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on all the fun and crazy stuff we do in here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.